Talk about how professionals in our industry specifically should be using Reddit. We talked about how you can use Reddit as a listening tool. How can that then turn into a content strategy? Because we hear all the time from people who I just don't know what to post. So let's take this a step further and how can we start using Reddit to develop a content strategy?
I recently shared on LinkedIn a prompt that I use with AI to go scrub the subreddits of certain conversation pieces for that exact purpose.
Hmm.
So one of the things that I do on a weekly basis is I run an AI prompt that says, "Hey, go scrub Reddit under insurance agents, financial advisors," and I list out some subreddits and tell me what the top 5 topics are that have been discussed in the past week. Uh, Notate anything that had a lot of comments or a lot of activity with it. And so it comes back every week and it will tell me like, "Hey, here's something that is trending that people seem to be talking a lot about." That's pure gold to me because
Hmm.
now I know, okay, this is what real conversations are happening. Let me go build my content based off of this and let me go answer and give my opinion or just give the answer to whatever that question was if it's within my wheelhouse. Now, I stay away from the sales side a lot, so I try to stay only on the marketing side and I just remove the ones that don't really aren't that relevant to me. But it really is a gold mine for
Hmm.
anybody that's looking for those topics. If you can't think about the frequently asked questions that your own clients have asked you, just go there. Go look up life insurance. Go see the type of questions that people are actually asking about it. Go look up Medicare. What are the questions that people are asking about Medicare? All of that is great content. So even if you're not quite ready to engage on Reddit, it still is the opportunity to pull those out and use those on the platforms that you are more comfortable with and more willing to share to your own channels.
And that's why at the top you compared Reddit more to a Google business profile than Facebook, for example, because people are also providing those recommendations and insights to services that they've had positive or negative experiences with.
Exactly.
Also, I think Reddit has been a little ahead of its time because we are now in this question and answer phase of search where AEO has entered the mix, and that stands for Answer Engine Optimization. And so many of those answers to those questions are being pulled from Reddit. So it's just another reason why you want to be on that platform and use it as a place that you can just be helpful to your community and those you serve.